beautiful, right?
Yeah. Too high for me. Weird note. Do they have pass the path?
You can't try.
What if they attack?
Oh, I don't think. No, you can run. You want to try?
You try.
Yeah, you try. No, I'm okay. Just keep walking slowly. Should we go together? Okay, let's go. Let's not make them angry.
There are 35 geese. I want to see gooses. Sounds more right than geese. Geese. One of them actually hissed at us like a cat. I don't know how to make a sound. It was that one over there. You see the one really close to the road? Not that one on the road, but the one really close to the road. That was that one. I saw it. It was like this.
Wasp or something.
Bumblebee? Bumblebee?
Wasp?
Is it a bumblebee?
I don't know. What's bumblebee?
I don't know. This is the first time I've ever been this close to a bee before.
Yeah, we got a rabbit. Let's see if we can get closer. It's just under the tree. And there are birds around it. Probably there are some food that they can enjoy. Yeah, it's gone. It's gone. There was a rabbit here. It's just... Oh, it's somewhere close, but...